Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can use stop limit orders on MEXC Global or MEXC. So what you will have to do is of course log into your account and make sure that you have the correct credentials so that you will be able to successfully log into your account. And once you've logged in, you will be redirected to the dashboard. And once you're here, you will look for the spot section and then you will look for spot trading. So it should be right here. It really depends on the layout of your website. So once you see spot trading, you will just have to click that, and then you will select your trading pair, and then you will click stop limit. And then after that, you will enter the stop price, the price that triggers your order, and then you will enter limit price, which is the price you want your order executed at. And then after that, you will enter the amount, how much crypto you want to buy or sell, and then of course you will review the total cost and fees and click buy or sell, and then your stop limit order will be active. When the market reaches your stop price, your order will be executed at your limit price. And yeah, stop limits orders give you control over your trading and help manage risk. Monitor your orders regularly. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.